Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am gonna to show you how to change the password of your Instagram account. It's easy, just follow these steps. To change the password of your Instagram account, you need to go to Settings. For that, click on your profile picture here at the lower right corner. And then click on the three lines icon at the upper right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Account Center. Click on Password and Security. Here you will see this Change Password, click on it. Now select your Instagram account. And change the password of your Instagram account. First type the current password of your Instagram account here. And then type the new password you want. Follow the instructions above when typing a new password. Retype the new password. Once all are done, click on Change Password. The password changed successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.